Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to log into Coinbase. So first of all guys, you need to go to coinbase.com, so go ahead and open it. And then the next thing is to simply click on the sign in button. So click on sign in right through here. As you can see, they will take you to this page. So what is left for you to do is to put your credentials that you have created your account with. So I'm gonna just go and sign out of my account by going to here. So something like this, click on here, refresh, and this should take me to the normal page. Let me just close all of this. Also, for those who still have this issue, you can just simply delete this and that, and this should refresh the whole page for you, so without any problems in the future. So now for those who still have this issue, you can literally just open incognito, because this is like a very common problem within this app, it's really keeps stuck in this page. So we could literally fix it just like this. So as you can see, this is the sign in page or the login page. So what you would need to do now is to simply put an email that you have used to once you create your account. So here, for example, you can put whatever email, then click on continue, and the next thing they will ask you for a password. So make sure to put down this password that you have used. Also, for those who created an account with Gmail or Apple account, you should use this method, not log in using your email, because as you will try to create your account with Google, Apple, or even a passkey, you will not be required to have a password. In that case, when you put here the email that you have, for example, with your Gmail account, when you click on continue, you will be asked to write down a password. But in the first place, you haven't even chosen a password for your account. So you know where the contradiction is? Well, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So simply just put here your credentials, click on sign in, continue, and you will be right inside of your account. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.